What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. If you want to create a Google Drive link to share files, you're in the right place. So, let me show you how to do that. First, go to your Chrome browser and you can search for drive.com.google, or you can go directly to your Drive by clicking Drive. Once you are in your Drive, select a specific file or folder you want to share. Now I'm going to folder and select a specific folder or file. The procedure is same for both. Click on the three dots. Here you will see a share. Click on share. In this general access box, tick mark at the anyone with the link. By this, anyone with whom you share the link with will get access to your drive, and you can just change it to commenter or editor. If you change it to editor, the people with the link can organize, add, and edit files. And if you change it to commenter, people can add comment in the files as well. So I'm just keeping it to viewer right now. And yeah, I'm clicking on copy link. And thus a link is created for your Google Drive to share files. Now you can just share this link anywhere you want, and the Google Drive link will be shared with them. That's it. So it was easy, right? If you liked my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share with everyone. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.